Ready to unlock your freelance potential and join the world's top talent on Toptal? Let's get started on creating your Toptal account. First, navigate to the Toptal website, locate and select the Apply button, typically found in the top right corner of the home page. Clicking this will begin the application process. You'll be prompted to fill out the initial application form here. Input your accurate first name, last name, and a valid email address. Ensure your email is one you actively monitor. Continue to complete the form by selecting your profession from the drop-down menu. Specify your desired hourly rate or use the provided estimator to determine your competitiveness. Now, the crucial step, creating your profile. This is where you'll showcase your skills and experience. Start by adding a professional profile picture. This first impression is very important. Next, populate your profile with your experience, including your work history, skills, and any relevant certifications you have. Be sure to detail your accomplishments and the impact you've made in each role. The more detailed, the better. Upload samples of your previous work in the Projects section to showcase your talent. Highlight your key skills in the Skills section for easy discovery by potential clients. After completing your profile, you will need to complete the skill tests offered by Toptal. Pass these tests to allow you to be able to get started with Toptal. Remember, a well-crafted profile is your key to success. Take your time, be accurate, and be yourself. Once these steps are complete, you're ready to embark on your freelance journey with Toptal. Good luck, and thanks for watching.